Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso लोभयेव च प्रमादमोहौ तमसो भवतो ज्ञानम् येव च ಓಂ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಗುಣಂ develops real knowledge. Rajasa gunam develops greed and grief. Tamasa gunam develops ignorance, illusion, foolishness, madness. So keep on trying to develop, improve Sattvika Gunam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely start taking steps to improve Sattvika Gunam in me. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim sarasvatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 278th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma is now jumping into Yamuna river to remove all the poison which is there and to send Kaliya, that serpent, away from that pond, for which కటిచేలంబు బిగించి పింఛమునన్ చక్కం గొప్పు బంధించి. Krishna Paramatma, he tied his cloth to his waist, and then he also tied his hair with a feather, peacock feather. Then he is preparing with his both shoulders and charanadvandvambugilinchi. He is pressing his both legs to the both feet to the earth. Then Shakhagramu Mida Nundi Vuriken Gopala Simhambu. Krishna Paramatma, who has great valor and strength like a lion, he has gone to one tree, climbed all the way up to the tip end of one tree. From there, he immediately dived into that Yamuna river. The velocity that he maintained in diving into that pond, the Yamuna river, that created huge sound and sound vibrations spreaded all over the earth. Sarpahradaha Purushasara Nipata Vegaha. Krishna Paramatma dived into that pond, Yamuna river. All other serpents started getting scared, and they are throwing away all of their poison into that water. That water became more poisonous, but nothing that could affect Krishna Paramatma because he has unlimited strength. Then Krishna Paramatma in that pond, he is going around with big shoulders, just like an elephant going around in the pond. Pathina Krutitoya Rasi Naduman. He has previous experience when he came down as a divine fish, Matsyanarayana. He went around in the huge, deep ocean. With that kind of experience, now Krishna Paramatma is going around here and there in that Yamuna river, and he is making different sounds. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 17th sloka. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobhaye vacha pramada mohau tamaso bhavato jnaname vacha. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam rajaso lobhaye vacha pramada mohau tamaso bhavato jnaname cha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.